Good morning, students. I hope all are safe and happy at home. Dear students, today let's continue the lesson 10, last lesson, self-confidence. Already we started the lesson. Today we shall continue, and we have seen the definition of self-confidence and one story also about Susie. Today let's see how to develop self-confidence. There are 6 points given in your textbook. That is, first of all, think positive and be positive and active positively. Dear students, you don't think that every time other persons, even family members and friends, are always encouraging us. Sometimes they discourage you, sometimes they don't accept your success or something else. So we have to think positively. I can do it. Then you can go forward. The next one is that imagine yourself as hero. Suppose you are taking part in the speech competition, or you are performing or in the singing or anything else. When you are coming in front of the mic or you are standing in front of the audience, don't feel shy. Don't think that time you don't think that others are they can do better than me like this. No, I am the hero. I can do. I can perform well. So you can carry on your work and see, practice body language that has good impression on others. So when you feel that I am hero, your body language also must be very attractive for others. Improve your posture, smile and eye contact. Look at every person's there. They will make you feel better about yourself. Others are more likely to see you as successful and self-confident. The next one is take utmost care of yourself. Third one, take utmost care of yourselves. Your body, fitness, healthy mind and body. So these are also very important. Self-confidence depends on good physical, mental and emotional health. Gentle look must be there, neat and tidy, and all these are very important. Next one, fear is one of the causes of low self-confidence. When you are afraid, when you feel that I could not do, so this one, it will make, fear is one of the causes of low confidence. If you are low confidence comes when you afraid of something or like that. See here, it is straight by setting yourself small goals. So what you want to do, big goals you could not attain, you can small goals. Aims, goal matlab, that is aims. So small aim. Today I can complete it this, or I will study that 3 lessons. Or first lesson, complete it, all the questions, answers, fill in the blanks, or whatever there is, the teachers ask you, then you feel yourselves little bit confidence, then you can carry on your long aims or long goals. Next one, learn to say no to anyone. That means don't take anybody control over you. Means we are under the other things, means don't allow others to make you a victim. So bad things somebody is telling you must do, you say no, I don't do, this is not good for health, or this is not good for me, I don't. There we want to say no, you should say courageously that no. Learn to say no to anyone. Command others to respect your personal preferences. The more control you have over your own life, the greater will be your self-confidence. So when you are mingling with your friends or in your work fields, whatever good and bad, we should recognize it, we should consider it. We give more importance to the good things. Next, help others. Helping someone enable you to feel grateful for what you have. Volunteer for social cause or practically assists where there is needed in the family or friends or in the society where you are living. They are requiring you or ask you for some help, and we are available for them, they also will be so happy with you. Children, if you keep in mind this brainstorming has to be confident along with the story of little Susie, you can surely achieve success by being a confident person. But it is also pertinent to keep in mind that your confidence should not go overboard. So whatever you can do, that much you can gain it. So we have seen that is how to develop confidence. First one, think positive, be positive, and act. Next one, imagine yourself as hero, take utmost care of yourself. Fear is the one causes of low confidence. Learn to say no to anyone, then help others. Then other thing is today's lesson teaches confidence and overconfidence. If we know the meaning of overconfidence, we can understand ourselves. We can think, we can in which level I am working or I am acting. You can see how to differentiate confidence and overconfidence. Improve with confidence, and how we can recognize overconfident. Overconfident people think that they are perfect. They will not be changing their attitude. What I am doing, that's correct. But confident people, how they are confident people, understand that they have something they need to improve on. Understood that? So we may not keep overconfident. You are children. There are a lot of years to grow. Up to death, we are learning from others, the circumstances, the experience, many things. Don't proud of yourself always, or telling that is I know everything, you don't want to come to correct me. Don't tell to your parents or friends, or when we are available, they will be always coming to you, and they will be happy with you. Next one is ability with confidence and overconfidence express I can do it. Then overconfidence, what say overconfidence is expressed as only I can do. No, it is not only, many people can do better way. Next, success with confidence and overconfidence, that success brought about by confidence is long term, while the triumph from overconfidence is short lived. So success brought about success for confidence long term it will take. Overconfidence easy way. Next, perception of failure with confidence and overconfidence accepts the possibility of failure, whereas the overconfidence does not acknowledge defeat anyway. So we started to take any work or anything, there will be failures. We have to overcome that and get success. Then control. Confidence concerns controlling oneself action, but overconfidence is about controlling everything. Confidence, it is controlling one's action. Overconfidence, everybody must come under my rule, like that overconfidence tells. Next one, listen. Confidence makes person listen to others, while overconfidence makes him listen only himself. So it is confident person means they will be always available to listen others. Overconfidence, they say what I am telling you have to listen to me. Then next one is that blame. Confident persons, individuals take responsibility for their actions. Suppose we have done something else, confident person, they will say it is my mistake. Overconfidence, they are telling about others. Next task, or confident people view difficult task easy, while confident people view them as challenging. So these are the many points we have seen about self-confidence. My dear students, I want to tell you while concluding the lesson that look at the nature, how good God created the nature. So it is enhancing the beauty of God, each and every creation of God. Whatever God created, that gentle breeze, beautiful rivers are flowing, or desert, everything is very beautiful. Birds, animals, everything. If we look from every creature, we can see the best creation is that human beings. So we should be always be humble in front of God. You can see the grains of wheat, grains of rice, everything. It is a humble mind. Or you have seen some kinds of fruits, mango or coconut, or what we say that is plantain. Everything they bow down their head. Or like these the plants, when it is bearing fruits and telling that is God, thank God. Like this, we also should be in our lives happy with everything and thank God, like Heavenly Father. In our lives also we can see that the thread, the strings together, it is taking more strength, So this way life, difficulties, sorrows, happiness, all together comes, our life is more strong. So my dear students, where you are planted, there you have to bloom well, and always be humble in front of God, like our Heavenly Father. Every day you are praying, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is. Be happy with everyone and be obedient to your parents. Thank you.